Yo, what is going on, money team? It's your boy Jduntrades with Team Bull Trading, and I hope you're all having a blessed day. In today's value-packed episode of Team Bull TV, we bring on one of Team Bull's finest Grizzly trades to recap the exact trade that had our team looking like this.
Huge winning trade to start the week at Team Bull. Love to see it.
Making money, learning, all the good stuff, and go over the exact education that we use and the strategy on every single trade that we take. Get your notebooks out, tap in, hit that subscribe button, and let's learn and level up together. The man, the myth, the legend, Grizzly Trades. How we doing today?
Doing amazing, man. Perfect start to the week. Looking forward to going over this for you all.
That was an incredible trade, especially on a Monday. Now, as I said earlier, I don't personally trade Mondays typically. You, on the other hand, came in, caught a massive trade on SPY puts and ES shorts. And now, as we always do, we're going to recap that and give these beautiful people the beautiful education that they deserve. Let's hear why it happened and how it happened.
Okay, as always, I like to go back to our pre-market live, our live that we do every morning on Instagram. We have a game plan. So my game plan this morning, I said, I'm not sure who was going to open at. I said, this 5,000 area is going to be in play. It's going to be a big area today. I also gave some bounce levels on SPY. And we'll talk about a couple more levels from my watch list after we recap the trade that we actually caught that I got to call out inside Team Bull on live. And we took a little early entry. Now let me tell you why. If you look here on the 5-minute, this is a candle before we opened. This was the ideal add area. I told everyone else I'm going to start my position at 4998. As you can see, we didn't quite get up there. And the reason I started early, once this candle closed, I seen, if you look over here on SPY, low volume doji, right? So to me, that was enough confirmation for me to start my position early. I told everyone, so I'm leaving room to add. If we do push up, I'm going to leave room. So I went in with right at half my position size, a little bit under. We got in. Unfortunately, I didn't get to add the remainder of my position. We had very little drawdown in this. We took SPX puts and we took ES short. We got in, had a nice push down. We took a first trim. I think it was right in this area. I said my next trim will be at low a day SPX. Trim there, trim down to runners here. So after this, I told everyone my next price target is going to be down here around this prior day close. Ideally, we want to trade zone to zone, level to level. If we got quite a ways to go and it's a day trade, I like to use my key indicators as price targets. And that's what happened here. We ended up getting out of this trade right in this area here. We didn't leave much on the table today as far as puts go. Now, since I've talked about the trade we took, I want to talk about the trade I missed or came later in the day. I wasn't at my computer, which is okay. It happens. If I can have one good trade a day, I'm happy, good to go. But check this out. And these levels are just, well, this 5,000 is the whole site, but it's just basic support resistance on the hourly time frame. That's where I found these levels, these zones. So anyways, you can see here, once we came back up, rejected this 5,000 again, but once we finally reclaimed it, right? If I'd have been trading, this candle here would have been a good entry for long. If we got above this key level, had a strong open, would have been a possible long entry, but that's not the trade I want to talk about. I want to talk about this 502.1 area. But everyone, this is the only reject level I can actually see on SPY as a clear reject. I've seen some big movement in this area. Unfortunately, I didn't get to take this trade, but as you can see here, it come up. Some Team Bull members caught this. They had this charted out. They was ready for my watch list. They caught this move down. But just a beautiful start to the week. You really couldn't ask for a better day trading market than we've been having. Last week was just perfect for day trading, and this week so far has been perfect.
And as a reminder too for everyone, you can get these exact levels on our Instagram live every morning. The links are in the description below. We go live every day. Grizzlies live at 8 a.m. Eastern time. I get on at 8:30. And for the people that didn't join and see why you like this level, why do you like that level today? Well, how do you have that marked out this morning?
This 502?
Yep.
The 502, I just honestly a very obvious resistance on the hourly time frame. And when I'm looking for these levels, I'm not just looking for, the straight touches. I want to see big movement in the area before, unless we're making all-time highs, of course, but that's not the case today. I want to see good movement. I don't like trading areas that in the past have this chopped around in the area, if that makes sense. Because when you're day trading, especially if you're day trading same day expiration, you're not wanting to hold through chop. That is going to kill your premiums. If you're trading ES, you can get away with that. You don't have to worry about that. But I mean, that's just what I look for.
Yep, and it works. Clearly, you've been on an absolute tear inside Team Bull, around a 90% plus win rate, and around that area at least. And honestly, it's been a great last month, and I expect a great rest of 2024 is on the way for us.
Oh yeah, I do too. Hopefully we keep this same market we're having. I don't care if we go up or down. I just want to keep the good movement and I want to continue to respect technicals. So
Yep, that's the only way, man. And as we always say in Team Bull, it's trade smart, trade safe. The best way to learn is by experience. So show up every day, journal your trades, follow a plan, follow your system, and rinse and repeat every single day. And that is what will make you a profitable trader over time.
that's right.
So with that being said, that pretty much concludes our wrap up for today. We'll be back this week with more. So make sure you guys tap in, hit that subscribe button. Is there anything else you want to add, Grizzly, before we go?
No, I think that's it. Hopefully we can continue this win streak we're on tomorrow. I think this entire week's going to be good for day trading. We got some big earnings. Should see some good movement. Yeah. That's it.
Awesome. Well, trade smart, trade safe, everyone. And as always, Grizzly, I'll see you tomorrow inside Team Bull.
All right. Peace.
See ya.